po mga kaibigan, Jojo here. We will try to bake a cake. Nakuha ko lang yung recipe actually sa YouTube, so I'll try to sort of make my own version of the cake. Tawag natin doon sa i-bake natin today is yung moist chocolate cake something. Ingredients ko na to, hindi ko na po ibibigay sa inyo lahat, but basically prepared na po yung ating ingredients. Sa dry ingredients natin, meron tayong flour, meron tayong baking soda, meron din tayong baking powder, gagamit din tayo ng salt. So, gagamit din tayo definitely ng sugar. And also, meron din tayo dito, ito yung coco, so ito yung magsaserve as our chocolate. And then, gagamit din tayo ng dalawang eggs. And sa ating wet ingredients, gagamit tayo ng vanilla para meron siyang flavoring. Gagamit din tayo ng vinegar. Gagamit din tayo ng oil para medyo maganda yung results ng ating cake. And then, gagamit din tayo ng magme-mix tayo ng konting coffee para may taste siya ng konting coffee yung ating moist chocolate cake. And ito alternative to, we're supposed to use fresh milk, pero since wala akong fresh milk, I'm just going to use any milk na meron ako dito sa bahay. And then later on, we will prepare naman yung parang, nakalimutan ko yung tawag doon sa parang choco fudge sa ibabaw. So let's do the baking. We're going to mix all the dry ingredients, flour, with the 1 teaspoon ng ating baking powder at baking soda. So mix it all together. Halo din natin yung ating salt. And then we have to add up then yung ating, of course, yung ating pang chocolate flavor, ang ating cocoa. And lastly, sa ating dry ingredients is yung ating sugar. So i-add up din natin siya doon sa mixture. Gamit lang ako nitong whisk. Tapos i-mix all together ko lang muna bago siya isip. So, isi-sift po natin siya. So we're gonna sift it. Make sure po na wala tayong matitirang lump doon sa ating dry ingredients. So kung hindi po tayo kasi gagamit ng sifter, nakikita niyo po itong mga sobra-sobra. Yan po yung iniiwasan natin. So itatry pa rin natin siyang i-press. Gagawa po tayo ng konting hole sa gitna para doon po natin ilagay yung ating, how do you call this? Yung liquid mixture. Or ingredients, sorry, not mixture, ingredients. So half a cup po ng ating milk ay ilalagay po natin sa mixture. Dapat vegetable oil, pero again, alternative tayo lagi. Wala tayong vegetable oil, so gagamit tayo ng corn oil. Basta oil. So 1/4 cup lang for flavoring 1 teaspoon of vanilla. If you want the more flavorful or more vanilla, depende sa mga taong kakain, you can add more if you want. We also have to incorporate 2 whole eggs. Mix it all together para ma-incorporate natin yung ating ingredients that we have just added. The next thing that we are going to do is we would need a 1 teaspoon of instant coffee for added flavoring, and we are going to dissolve this in 1/2 cup of hot water. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And you add it to your mixture. So it's 1/2 cup of hot water. My coffee is not really a dark coffee, so this is not a good coffee because it's supposed to be I think it's not really black coffee, but this is what I have. So just for an added flavoring, I'll just preheat my oven. So I'm going to preheat my oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then we have to incorporate this coffee mixture, the instant coffee, on our, the entire mixture. Okay, nag-prepare na po kasi ako ng aking bake pan. Ito na po yung bake pan natin. Ready na po talaga siya. So, inaantay lang po talaga natin yung ating oven na matapos siya sa kanyang preheating para mailagay na po natin yung ating batter sa loob ng ating oven at mag-umpisa na siya mag-cook, mag-bake. It will cook siguro mga 40 minutes to 45. And then, I'll let it cool. I'll set it aside. Tapos, I'll have to do my, yung frosting yata yung tawag doon. Okay, pour in ko na po yung ating batter sa ating pan. Kasi ready na po yung aking oven. Okay. Kinakabahan po ako sa magiging outcome po nito ating binibake, no? Kasi parang feeling ko yung kanyang consistency is masyadong watery. Pasok ko lang po siya sa oven. Ayun na po mga kaibigan, inilagay na po natin yung ating cake doon sa ating oven. So, aantayin po natin, mag-antay po tayo ng approximately mga 40 minutes kung anong itsura ng ating, cake after 40 minutes. So, yun po. Mamaya po natin malalaman yung ating output. Salamat po for staying with me. Mahaba na po yung ating live. Tatapusin ko po muna ito. I'll see you again. Ingat po sa inyong lahat, wherever you are in the world. I hope everybody is safe. Let's continue to pray po for everyone's safety. Yun po. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.